Students have to cover huge curriculum. They often fanatically wade through piles of books, flip through pages, search and watch digital contents on internet. Finding the desired materials is difficult and time consuming. Modern AI powered tools read and understand student query in natural to language, scan and search the relevant answer in proper style and format. This is great help to students. While internet contains vast info about all topics, Dividya website contains massive data of text supported by context relevant images, audio and video tutorials, questions and answers, multiple choice question with explanatory answers, interviews, podcasts exclusively related to class 11-12 commerce and mathematics course. The latest with Dividya AI powered search tool instantly extract precise information sought by user exclusively related to curriculum and examination right from Dividya database. AI is helping to improve quality and efficiency of human work in all spheres. AI technology is also used in education to enlighten the study load, learn quickly, write correct answers, and improve students' scores. So, with the AI powerful search facility, in one hand helps students to find answers to their queries instantly, free of cost. Apart from students, teachers, authors, and content creators also benefit vastly from AI assisted tools. With the AI search facility also helps teachers to earn money working from their home by providing student coaching and support services by answering students' queries instantly. With the AI search facility even helps creators and authors to get right materials instantly. Thus, with the AI-powered search facility helps creators, authors and teachers to provide their services and earn money. The details of with the AI search and its workings are described next. Links and all relevant info are available at the description of the video. Hi! Divita website offers learning resources for students free of cost, containing complete study materials for class 11-12 commerce and mathematics subjects. The study materials are organized into subjects and chapters for easy access through structured lead pages and menus to quickly navigate to any topic. In addition, with the AI tool facilitates finding any topic quickly from vast resources available in the Dividya website. Now, Dividya site also offers AI-enabled search for quick search of the posts, pages containing the desired topic from within Dividya website. Just type the keywords of the topic in search box. The posts pages matching the topic with brief synopsis will be displayed. The text containing the search keyword as entered by you in the search text box would be filtered and shown with yellow highlight. You may click More Results button if needed. Click on the topic link. The page will open for reading. Apart from instant highlight to keywords, the AI search tool filters the desired information from the vast resources and help navigate through filtered paragraphs and chapters. Further, you may click on the search icon magnifying glass just beside the search box. The search results will be listed one after another. To read details, click on the heading or Read More button. The linked page will open. This facility would help the readers instantly find the precise piece filtered out from the massive volume of contents uploaded in the site. Do check the features and give your feedback. AI Assistant consistently trains itself through user interaction and gets better day by day. We are regularly updating the contents and improving the search facility to improve the search results.
dVidya is constellation of creators, teachers, and students for spreading education. Learn through practical work. Work from home jobs on training completion. Students study from free resources. Do practical assignments and get paid. Do practical projects working from home. Creators create study materials in text and digital form and earn money working from home. Teachers provide online and on-site support and coaching.